Hi, my name is Amber Giles, and I am your instructor for the Education 150 class. It's called Child, Family, and Community. And I just wanted to hop on really quick and give you a warm welcome and also kind of go over our class and tell you a little bit about how to manipulate this course. The first thing you're going to see when you hop on is going to be this welcome page right here, the home page. The home page. There's the title of the class, my name, Amber Giles, my email. There's a little welcome about me. It tells about my student hours and my office hours, gives you my Zoom link, tells you a little bit about extra credit. There's a syllabus and the Getting Started button, which is where you're going to want to click. But before I click on Getting Started, I wanted to go back up here and just go over these the side tabs over here, the sidebar. Over here you have your dashboard. If you click on your dashboard, that will take you back out and go to your list of courses, where you will click on this course if you want to get back into this one. The courses will also do that, and the calendar tells you due dates and important dates that the college has set and activities, things like that. But what you're really going to want is the inbox right here. That is where you can communicate with me and with other students in the course. I do have my email right here, and that is my work email. And that sometimes can get clogged up with a lot of information and a lot of emails. So if you want to get a hold of me directly, you can click on the inbox to message me, and that will reach me immediately, and I will probably respond a little bit quicker than if you email my work email. Okay, back to the home page. What you're going to want to do is click on the syllabus right here. Go ahead and print it out, because this will give you information about our course and the requirements and the percentages, the grades, all of the requirements, and also the policies and procedures, such as plagiarism, where you can find help if you need help on campus with the math lab, the writing lab, the all kinds of information. But what you're going to want to do to get started is click here on the Get Started Here. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Watch Me First in week 1. You're going to watch this video. It's going to tell you all about this course and what you want to do to get started. This is the week 1 overview. The week 1 overview will just tell you why we're doing this, what we're going to learn in this module, and all of the checklists that need to be completed that week, and just important information for that week. It talks about what are the things that you need to do. I really like how it talks about how this is going to be on your to-do list. All right, this weekly overviews will show up on your to-do list, but there's really nothing to submit and there's no assignment about it. But it is important to read it, and it's going to show up on your due date after the module is published, but it will always go away as soon as you click on it and read it. We go back to our modules, you'll be able to see that we have week 1, week 2, week 3. These are the modules, and they appear right here in this sidebar. The things that you're going to be able to see are the home page, the modules, the announcements, the grades, the people, and that's where you'll be able to click on there, and everyone who is registered in our class is listed, and you'll be able to contact them. Day 1 access materials is your textbook and how to access that. On Starfish, you will be able to make an appointment for advising and get any help that you need. Office 365 will give you access to Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, things like that that you might need. And I think all of the other links are hidden for you. They're here on mine because I am your instructor. But those are the things that you will need to be using. Our modules will be published every Friday morning, and the week runs Friday through Thursday. Week 1 overview is just a week at a glance. It's not necessarily any kind of assignment, but you need to view it and it'll come off of your to-do list. It is best to work through your modules in order because the quizzes that you will take on the weekly reading will be last, and you're going to want to be able to have studied the material first. Sometimes you're going to want to work ahead, and you're going to want to click through the things on your to-do list instead of clicking on the things in order of your module. But you're going to run into a page that says that you can't view this, it's not viewable until you view the pages before that. So if you get that message, you just need to go back up into your module and click on the things in order as they appear. That won't necessarily happen in week 1, but it'll happen in upcoming weeks. The modules open up on Friday. Everything's due on Thursday at 9 o'clock. That's so that you will go to bed and get a good night's rest and not be up until midnight doing your work. If you like to work on the weekend, that means that you're going to have to go ahead and open it up first thing on Friday and get started. Do it when it first comes out, and it's really good for you because that way you can talk to me throughout the week and ask me any questions. And my office hours are Wednesday evenings, and I will be able to help you with any assignments that are then due on Thursdays. So pretty much to review, you're going to want to go to, from the home button, you're going to want to go to the Getting Started page right here. And then that will get you to modules where you will work through the weekly modules in order. And you will be able to stop by my office hours if you have any questions. Remember that it can be found, the Zoom link can be found on the home page right here in the Zoom room. The Zoom link, office hours, those are all available there for you to come and see me. And I do offer extra credit if you come and show your face and I get to see you and get to know you. If you have any questions, comments, if you're confused by any of this, please feel free to contact me in 3 different ways. Number 1, you can send me an email to my work email. Number 2, you can click on this inbox right here and send me a message. Or number 3, I do have a home phone that you are welcome to text, and the phone number is 509-488-7329. And lastly, of course, the way you can get a hold of me is we can set up a Zoom meeting right here in this Zoom room link. Have a great week. Bye.